Get her hands ready.
Okay, 1, 2. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh!
Oh, it didn't move.
Like how to do it.
Here, hold on. Carson, watch how I do it. Stand behind her like this. Ready? 2, 3.
Good one.
No, Eddie.
Get it.
No. Now my turn.
Okay, Carson's turn.
Mine.
Eddie, come on. Hey.
All right, here we go.
Back
You're on the
up.
side, on the side.
On the side.
Right, Mom?
That looks good.
Back up to the couch a little bit. Back up.
There you go.
There, right there.
Perfect. Too much. Not too much. There you go.
1, 2, 3. Hit it.
Oh!
Hey, Carson, you don't have to swing so hard.
That's all
A
right.
little bit lighter.
Swing. Watch the
Easy.
ball.
1,
1, 2, 3.
Woo!